The tarbuck note is a slip and grip note used. The tarbuck note is a slip and grip note that creates a loop. And the tension, as you can see, it doesn't move. For making this note, we have to take a rope. We make a loop, a overhand loop, that means that the running hand stays over the standing part, and we turn the rope around the running hand around the standing part 3 times. As you can see, I'm quite holding these loops very tight. Then we have the running hand coming out from the loop from below. Then we put the running hand over the standing part like this, around the standing part, and then back in this little loop that has created. We have to make it very tight, otherwise it doesn't work very well. The knot is done. As you can see, if we hold the knot and we move the standing part in the loop, we create a bigger or smaller knot, and if we pull like this, the knot closes itself and grips. It was used in climbing, but after the new synthetic ropes it doesn't work very well. So you have to be very cautious about which rope are you using for this knot.